I assume it's appropriate that you've arrived here since you're looking for ways to make money online. Well, you've come to the right place because in today's video, with this new technique, we'll be able to earn a substantial sum of PayPal cash simply by following procedures online. So, supposing you're still doubtful, you must stay with me so we can work through it together. You can place a down payment on something you've wanted for a long time, whether it's a computer, a new phone, or anything else really. Now, with that wish, you must pay attention to this brief video so that I may teach you how to earn money and bring you to the lifestyles you desire. This approach is accessible to everybody anywhere in the globe. You don't require a certain expertise and you don't need any prior experience. This method may not make you a millionaire, but if you're a beginner, it's probably the best option for you. This strategy also works well if you're just looking for a way to make some money on the side. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step because I want to make sure that you have a good chance of succeeding with each strategy that I show you. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, I want you to head on to your browser and type in the URL that I'm about to share with you later on. This platform is a crowdsourced carrier with more than 100,000 employees. It says here that they help individuals, small groups, and professionals to create low-value exposure, advertising, and marketing campaigns to boost sales to better their ranking backlinks. Now, you want to join up as a worker on this internet site. Browse the micro jobs that they have on Provide, pick out the activity which you like and the one tasks and post proof. After that, you can earn your cash through this website. You can cash out by the use of PayPal Cash or switch to the other strategies that you can see right here. Now, I'm going to show you the process of signing up to look and learn more. Presently, we should return to the video, click on this button, and it should lead you to this page. Here, I need you to type all the data that it needs, so type in your name, email address, your password, and select your country. You can see from this rundown of nations that they are really accepting candidates from everywhere in the world. This simply demonstrates that this technique is for sure something that you can do from any place in the world. Once you're done, I need you to confirm that you're not a robot and you're done setting up your account. Do remember these principles that they have set up for you and make a point to adhere to these guidelines so you have extra energy dealing with this site. They're really straightforward. In any case, 1. You're not permitted to use VPN or some other kind of concealing IP program. You're not permitted various records with a similar IP or using shared or public Wi-Fi. You're additionally not permitted a similar IP utilized with different records to tackle errands, and you're likewise not permitted to take care of responsibilities that are related to the country that you're not from. If you guys are enjoying this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will receive money online," we'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,000 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Remember that on the off chance that you defy any of these norms, it may very well get you banned, so don't burn through your time attempting to swindle the framework. Again, I truly encourage you to adhere to these standards so that you don't squander this chance. It is better to be safe than sorry, you know. So, whenever you've made your record, they will request that you affirm your email, so browse your email inbox and click on the link on the email that they sent you. You can now check your record and simply sign in. As you can see right now, this is what your dashboard appears, and on top you can monitor many things like your all-out stores and your absolute withdrawals and a lot of other stuff as well. Here are some things that I may have forgotten to share before. You can get compensated $1 to $5 just by joining, and the acquiring potential on this site is totally unbelievable. In addition, you can do this constantly. There is positively no restriction, as you can see. When you look through the page, you can see that there are undertakings that you can do, and every one of them have their separate installments. They are truly straightforward. You can see the sum that you can procure for each errand and the measure of time that you may spend getting done with the job. Every one of them in reality just requires a few minutes. The greater part of them requires 3 minutes in length or under 10 minutes. As an afterthought here, you can likewise see the individual nations that these assignments are accessible in reasonable notice. However, look out for the errands that aren't marked global or not named by the nation of your starting point. Keep in mind that it's contrary to the principle to take on positions that are not implied for your own nation. Keep your eyes out for the worldwide ones, particularly if you remember that I said before that our center will be taking care of errands that include essentially loving recordings. So to do that on the search bar here, I need you to look for YouTube and click on this button, and at that point, sort the positions as per how much cash you could possibly make from finishing them. Click on that, and that way, we will actually want to see the most lucrative assignments first. Right now, how about we see here that there are really undertakings that pay you this much cash, and it will just require you a brief period of time. This implies that you can achieve various errands in simply a span of an hour. For instance, wouldn't you say that this is extraordinary? Now, as an illustration, we should investigate this assignment here. It will pay us this much cash to achieve it in this much time, and so we should tap on that, and as you can see, it will lead us to this page. Here, we will actually want to see all of the data. We should have the option to finish this task. Now, all you have to do is to adhere to every one of these directions to follow through with the job, and whenever you're done, you'll get compensated. You've seen it yourself, that's all there's to it. Pretty simple, but before we end this video, the secret tool that we're using right now will be found at rapidworkers.com, and that's it. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money-making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.